You have two options: create normal rebar or mesh reinforcement. Define parameters for horizontal and vertical rebars. Diameter and spacing. Add start corner stirrups. Define diameter, spacing, concrete cover, and stirrup length. Switch to close stirrup or torsion stirrup if needed. Define hook length and hook angle. Add corner rebars. Click to define the same for end corner stirrups. Or we can define these rebars differently. To define more advanced parameters for rebars, click to expand. Defining to place rebars per linear meter. Defining to create rebars with hooks. Defining to create rebars with U-shape hooks. Defining to place corner rebars per linear meter. Defining to offset second vertical rebars to avoid corner stirrups. Defining to add L rebars. Defining to create mesh. Select mesh type, input minimum mesh width and overlap length. No mesh at small area. Mesh overlap. To define more advanced parameters for mesh, click to expand. Define mesh placement, double layers or one layer in outer, center, or inner of the wall. Rotate mesh 90 degrees. Switch start point. Switch mesh direction. Add additional rebars. Thanks and see you in the next video.